My name is Mary and welcome back to Marytainment. Today I am going to do a English breakfast. So I just woke up now and my partner said that he wanted a English breakfast which is comprises of egg, baked beans, here, too much food for two people, and some sausages, here. Let me see it in the camera. And then some French fries, or here in South Africa, they call this chips. This one. And some tomato for our baked beans. And actually, I forgot, they also put mushroom. So yeah, we have our frozen mushroom here, which I might not add, but I'm still showing you because this is what English breakfast normally is. I showed you the French fries, the egg, the baked beans, the tomato, the mushroom, the sausage, and I forgot the most important one is the bacon. See, this is escort bacon, streaky bacon. He prefers it because there is fat in it. And I'm gonna give you a quick history, not history, where I came from. Asian people, our breakfast, it is our staple is rice, where we use rice with basically everything. And in the morning, afternoon, night, we only having rice. And then when I moved in South Africa, people here, they always use bread, roti, and that white, the pap, puto, whatever you call it. And I'm not used to it. So then I have to eat my own food because I miss home. So in breakfast I only have rice with egg, with sausage, or with bacon. It's quite unusual for people here to mix it with rice, but that's what I'm used to. But over time, I get used to how they eat their food. I get used to their culture. So I think I am much more South African at heart. The first thing we are going to do is the baked beans because it's taking quite some time. Here is our pots, our stainless steel pan. Stainless steel because my partner is health conscious. You don't want all those non-stick pan because apparently it's not good for your health. I'm gonna put this now. Where is the onion? Here. Onion. Just letting you know, not because I said I'm going to make breakfast, doesn't mean I woke up at 7. I woke up at 10:40. If there's egg on it and bacon, it's still breakfast, regardless of time. Chili. I love spicy food. If you're gonna ask me for a challenge or eating spicy food, I'm gonna beat you. Are we gonna put the tomatoes? We're gonna drop our baked beans. As I said before, it's too much for two people. Let it down. Yeah. While we are waiting for our baked beans to get soft, to get cooked, we are going to make our sausage and our bacon on this griller. We're just gonna oil that up and then we're gonna set our bacon and sausages. Here is our sausage. Let me just put it right here. Let's put our bacon. We are done with the baked beans, the sausage, and the bacon. I just have to wait for the chips, the french fries. It's in the air fryer. And then I'm gonna make the egg. Egg is quick, so we always have to make the egg last. What we're gonna do is we are going to put the butter on the stainless steel pan. Why butter? It's because if you're going to use a normal oil, whatever you're gonna put in this pan, it's gonna stick. And just for your information, I'm not a cook. I'm not a good cook. I just live day by day. Look at our beautiful egg. It's not sticking on the pan. Just use butter now. We are done with almost everything. We are done with the chips, bacon, sausage, baked beans, egg. And all we need to do is to set this last egg on our plate. You know, in my country, we don't really prefer. We like sunny side up, but we liked it done. But my partner, he loves it underdone. Look at that. He likes the yolk to be runny. We call it in my country the big boss. Aren't you scared of whatever? You know, We are done making our English breakfast. I'm going to show you the finished product. Here is our bacon, our sausage, and our chips. And then we have our sunny side up egg. See this? And here is our baked beans. It's a spicy baked beans. And hoping that it is gonna be nice because basically it's just breakfast. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you want. Let's start eating. Bye.